absolutely love my table. I love my table. I will show you guys once I've cleaned nicely so that you can see how gorgeous this table is. Well, let's do a cleaning supplies top up, and yeah, some bathroom stuff that we need. Ready? First things first, got the City Skin bubble bath. Absolutely love the smell of this. We got Domestos for the bathrooms and stuff, and I've got Jig. Bleach, always a need. This is always a need. And I got this for the shower doors. And this handy, it came with this sponge, this cleaning sponge, the air freshener. I love how this smells. It's not like the other flavors, you know, that make the toilet smell even worse after you spray this. This smells nice. This smells very nice. Then I've got some Colgate's toothpaste. That's not toothpaste. Colgate. Toothpaste. Colgate. The custard. The Ultramel. And I've got toothbrush, got bath soap, we've got this stick-ons. These smells absolutely good. They make the toilets smell so fresh. So this, and this is a refill. We've never used lavender and vanilla before, but I'm sure it smells nice. Not sure of the one that we have, but also that one also, it smells nice. So once it finishes, we are going to use this one. We'll let you know if it makes the house smell fresh. Then I got this MAC fabric softener. I usually buy Comfort, but this, if I'm not using Comfort, I use this specifically this one. Your clothes will smell good. Some Tide cleaner, and some washing powder. I actually want to do laundry now. So yeah guys, I will show you the coffee table once the house is all cleaned, and I want to go to Pep Home. Oh yeah, also I almost forgot to show you what we got from Pep. We went to Pep yesterday, and you know, when we were putting the curtains, we didn't have this, so we had to buy it because hubby is not always home. So if I need to do other stuff, if he's not here, I will be able to use this stool. Got this from Pep Home. I got these hooks. I wanted to buy a pack of one because I want to put some arts on the walls. So these will come in handy. And I got this mirror from Pep Home. Mine broke. I had a blue. Yeah, so I got this mirror for if I want to do the makeup videos. And I got this. I love the colors. They will go very well with our kitchen. It's a set. Absolutely love this. So yeah, I was saying that we want to go to Pep Home. We want these decorative books, if we can find them, so that we can be able to decorate our coffee table.
see what we got.
You start. Okay. Let's see.
Air fryer. Wow.
You got a little air fryer.
Yes.
And then it's me now. I'm so excited. Let's see. Wow, I got.
What's that?
I think there's nothing inside, but
What is it?
it's tea.
Rooibos.
It's robots.
Nice.
A little robots. And then you go now. Let's just.
Let's see.
We're about to find out.
Scooter.
You got a scooter again.
Oh, nice. Let's see, Kanye. What else did you get?
Let me open this one. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, go. What did I get? Oh my God. A pen again.
You got a pen.
Again.
Oh.
That's what I got.
Let's see.
Well, must be the pen. Would I
Pen.
Another pen.
I got another pen.
Let me open.
Open.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Uvula now sometimes stay.
Okay. Let me open.
I got this again.
What's that?
It's
the candle in
as
Oh, the one is for the pool.
the candle.
Oh, nice.
Can you see them? Can
Peanut butter.
Peanut
I'm a paper on
butter.
Yay! I got peanut butter.
and it's your favorite. You love peanut butter. Let's open this one. But I don't know what I got.
This one feels like another air fryer.
You can open.
Alright, if it's another air fryer, I will give you the pool thing.
It is another air fryer.
Let's swap. Let's
Mm.
change. Okay, you get this. We swap the card. Let me give you the card.
Finish.
Katil, can you see la wena? Ziphelele zakho now.
No, one more.
One more. Can you see la yenza
I
phela
will
so?
give him the card now. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Wow. What is
Lotion.
Low shading.
Wait, let me open it.
Low shading.
Let's
Oh.
exchange. That's a bike.
I don't think so.
Hi guys, so this brings us to the end of our vlog. If you've not hit that subscribe button, please do so, and do click on the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I post. Thank you so much to my returning subscribers. Much appreciated. I am so in love with my coffee table. I can't wait to style it. We will be doing that on the next vlog. Until next time, take care, keep well, and stay blessed. Bye.